So its market cap is number 76, and its all-time high was 82 cents, and it's down 97% from that. And currently we are up 19,000% from its all-time low. How's it going? What's up and what's happening there? Blessed, beautiful, and abundantly benevolent souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bullish Show. Thank you for being here with me. Once again, I'm Kiara Ducasse, and I am so excited to be here with you guys once again, you beautiful souls. So let's jump right into what you guys have been looking at in the thumbnail right then and there. Guys, today we are going to be speaking about GALA games and is the SEC's next target GALA games. We're going to have a look in this video. But make sure to stay tuned right to the very end so you can get two things out of this video and me. Very, very much so. And I just want one thing out of you, and that is to hit the thumbs up. If you have not yet, I would love to see 10 thumbs up on the video. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. That would be really appreciated. Anyways, guys, so I will give you two things at the end. Price prediction, one on GALA, my personal price prediction in the next bull run, and two, is the SEC going to actually go for GALA? We'll have a look in this little moment for now, but make sure to stay tuned right to the very end. Anyways, guys, GALA games, excuse my sniffing, I've got my incense going. It's clearly doing its work, cleaning up my sinuses at the moment, which is wonderful. Okay, so as we all know, GALA has migrated on the 15th of May to a new contract announcement, which is good. So if you haven't got that contract, add it to your Ethereum wallet with MetaMask. Okay, is great. Now, GALA is up 4% for the day, 2% for against BTC, and 1% against ETH. Now, GALA is at 0.0259 cents. Excuse me, I wanted to say 6, but market is sitting at 626 million and $626.5 million. Now trading is sitting at 52.6 million, which is pretty good. That's about 8% of that total market cap, which is great, guys. So it means people are still using GALA, which is a thumbs up so far on GALA. Now we have total locked, which is about nearly 1.3, which is double the market cap, which means that it has a 2-to-1 TVL ratio, which is actually awesome. And that is very, 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 very powerful here. And I'm going to say that just because we have basically 50% of the total market cap already locked up in GALA games. Okay, so circulating supply is 24.5 million. Now we have maximum supply of 50 million and total supply is 42 that is out, which is great. So only half of the tokens are out, which is some of my favorite, as you guys know, if you watch the channel so far. And guys, by the way, if you want to trade this GALA with me, make sure to hit my Bybit link down below. That will give you a $30,000 deposit bonus when you use my link down there, as well as BitGet bonus will give you $50 using my link. Click them down below. Okay, excuse me, guys. So its market cap is number 76, and its all-time high was 82 cents, and it's down 97% from that. And currently we are up 19,000% from its all-time low. So that is juicy. What do you guys think GALA is going to do? Guys, we all know what GALA is. And just by the way, if you want to go and trade your town star, so you burn your town now and you'll get GALA, which is very interesting, guys, because if town star is burning, even though they want you to burn your town star to get GALA, town star would become more valuable if they were burning it, right? So for me, I'm hanging on to my town star, and I'll do another video for you guys if you like. Let me know if you'd like me to do a video in the comments down below on town star. I have done one before. You can go and check it up here, but I have done one for you guys before. But anyways, you can get a GALA node. You can join the community. Trending games are Dragon Strike, Poker, Go Play, Eternal Paradox, and then they've got a whole bunch more. They've got 16 more games here, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing to see what's in this entire ecosystem. Spider Tanks, Townstar Games, which is amazing. Superior, Grit, Meow Match, Champions Arena, Legends Reborn, Miranda's, Tavern Games. I mean, guys, these games are amazing. and amazing amazing graphics as well in most of them, so they're awesome to play. I haven't played them myself, but I do know people who have played them and have thoroughly enjoyed playing them. So I hope you enjoy looking at that. But anyways, let's get back to the about. Let's go to the homepage of GALA for now. Anyways, guys, if you want to join their Discord, come over and check their Discord out here. You can go and see everything that they do say and speak about and recommend, and everything that's happening in their platforms. You can click on each one of them, and you can the grid, and you can go and check out what is exactly happening in each one of those specific games, and so on and so forth here, guys. And also remember to come over to my Discord, and you'll check that out in the link above. I am working on filling out these pages here so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm going to be continuing to do. So make sure you come over to my Discord and check me out right there. Thanks for doing that, guys. Really appreciate that. And you'll see that in my YouTube page right over there. There's the Discord in the corner over there. I can't see it right now on this page, but it's there. Guys, is there any GALA news worth talking about? Yeah, I mean, the latest GALA news on all of the platforms that I look for you guys. David Bowie unreleased record debuts as music NFT. That was already on April 7th. And then Huobi partners with GALA Games for L1 and Web3 development. So Huobi is massive, guys, as well. And I think that's very phenomenal. So David Bowie's one is the only real information we're sharing with you guys. So go and check out their Twitter page here as well. You can see that they have nearly 500K followers. And they're empowering players all over the world, guys. GALA is amazing. It's got a freaking huge ecosystem and community as well. So go and definitely check them out and check their pages out and see what it is that they do, because they do run lots of giveaways and competitions as well on their pages. So, guys, what I wanted to share with you was one of the things I wanted to share with you is the NFTs, the next SEC target. Now, the reason I said to you is GALA Games actually going to be targeted next by the SEC, and typically because NFTs run in its entire website throughout all of these games. These are NFTs, guys. These are NFTs. Okay, they're games. They have NFTs to change clothes, to change weapons, tools, all kinds of different things, and those are all NFTs. Now, Decrypt's Kate Irwin discusses the current regulatory climate in the US with GALA Games president of blockchain, Jason Brink. So Jason Brink, boom, somewhere around here. I saw him just now. Here. So Jason Brink, okay? So Jason Brink talks economy and tokens. These articles were now recently, 29th of June, ahead of the game. Now, honestly, guys, these guys know exactly what they're doing. They've got good backers behind them. And I don't think the SEC is going to get this right, because the SEC cannot stop people from sharing images. Like, art is an asset, right? And so are NFTs. And it's a particular type of asset that is out of the scope of the SEC in terms of these kinds of things. But I wouldn't put it past them if they try and do like a choke point 3 version and cut off and choke the NFTs. So, guys, that's not my business right now, but I do own quite a bit of NFTs, and I'm very happy with them. I do want to definitely get some GALA NFTs, but I do own other NFTs as well. And I'm just going to hang on to those for a couple of years. Right now, that is what it is, right? So, previous all-time market cap on GALA Games was, call it 5 billion. So that is kind of like an 8x from where we are right now. So an 8x would give us 17 cents price. So nowhere near the all-time high here at the 82 cents, right? So it's very interesting. I've been pointing this out to you guys quite often. But let's go and have a look at the chart first. So let's just make sure that we can work nicely with this chart here. I need to restart the computer once again for us. So, because, you know, guys, I've been smashing away charts, working, trading, all kinds of things here for us. So, yeah, that is awesome. Make sure to hit the like button for me because you're enjoying watching the channel. Okay, let's come back to the chart here. So, I'm just going to quickly look at this on the daily time frame because I just want to give you some sort of perspective. right now you can see one bottom and another bottom. Okay, so confirm, double bottom already. Now, we also have, I drew these lines in for you guys. So I drew this, this line horizontal downslope plus the upward. So if we break this one, definitely coming down back to retest the bottom here at the 16-cent level. But if we do break the top here, the 200, and isn't this very interesting? In alignment pretty much with a larger downsloping horizontal, downsloping trend, kind of will make that 200 meet that area by the time we get up there. So, well, not necessarily, because we do make good strong pumps like this, but as you can see, we've just got a bit of a way to go. That kind of percentage would be probably around 37% versus a potential, if we break down there, of a 31%. So it is a 1-to-1 ratio in trade right now. So if we do collapse, it's an opportunity for you to dollar cost average and buy more GALA on spot. Now, actually, I've got a bot on Bybit. I got a bot on Bybit. If you want to use my link down below, go and do the same thing. Okay, I've got my bot on Bybit currently trading in between this zone, because as you can see, we're kind of building what looks to be a potential W pattern with a breakout level of this neck, which essentially would be this level, all of this level right here. And then what the target would be was probably be at the top over here, which essentially would be the next level of resistance over there, right? So with all of that in our front of our very eyes, we'll just give you a nice clean chart once again. Okay, it's going to have a look at the weekly time frame at the moment, because the weekly is currently also developing a nice, very, very strong buy signal, as well as the RSI coming out very, very strong and very, very bullish for us right now from the oversold perspective. So for me, we're building the momentum to break out of this longer term downsloping trend and resistance level, and building our W, which essentially the neck breakout line would be here. Why? Because that's the level of resistance and that's the level of resistance. Now, just to get up to that beautiful target right there from where we are right now would give us a 171% gain on your GALA. Now, what would and that would give us the target of the top of the pattern also, right? So we've got a little bit of a way to go, but on the weekly, we're pushing up nicely, which means that we've got that momentum back in check with us. Now, just to go on to some of the last little things. Once we break that, we break this, we pull back, probably smack to the next level of resistance, and then kind of grind our way back up. You know, I'm not going to say it's going to go exactly like that, okay? But if we look at the all-time high up there at 82 cents, guys, that's an amazing level for us to actually be looking at right now, because just to make it up to the all-time high from in GALA, from where we are currently, is a 3,700% gain. I'm sure you would want 3,700% gain. If you would want 3,700% gain, let me know down in the comments below. And if you own GALA, I would absolutely love to know exactly what your bags look like. So guys, for me, can GALA hit $1 next bull cycle? Fuck yes. Okay, I believe GALA can smash $1. Now, honestly, $1, let's go and just have a quick squiz at $1, okay? $1 divided by 0.02, I'm just going to put 6 here. That will give us a 38x up to $1 from where we are right now. Let's times our market cap by that amount too, so 626. Just going to round it off to 500. Okay, gives us a $24 billion market cap. That's only 5 times the amount that it's previously been. Do you guys think it could hit a $24 billion market cap? Yes, in the next bull cycle. Now, honestly, guys, I do believe that GALA could probably hit about a $240 billion market cap because of the way that it's growing. $24 billion in the eyes of the projects that it has in it is very, very small. Now, I want to go and show you. If we had to go and do this times 10, okay, that would give us a $240 billion market cap divided by today's current market cap of 626,500, okay, that will give us a 384x gain on GALA. Do I believe it could do that? Well, let's go and see the price target that I think it could hit. Okay, now 384 x times 0.026 gives a $10 GALA price. Now, I thought it was going to go to somewhere about that range. Now, do I believe it's going to get to $10? I think the next bull cycle, to make a fair amount of value, I would say a $6 would be a fair price. I would love to know what you think in the comments down below, guys. So thanks for watching. Really, guys, if we just have a very strong look at this powerful move from there to there, it's a 990% pump. I mean, that was a crazy pump there. For us to get up to that $6 level will actually give us an insane 22,000% pump. And if we had to go to the 10,000, that would give us a 37,000% pump. Now, guys, GALA from its all-time low at the current price at where it's at is already giving us a 19,000% pump. So let me square you flat and real when I say to you, can GALA give you a very juicy 16% pump when we're looking at it from where it is now and give you a $10 price? Fuck yes. I'd love to know what you think, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. I want to see 10 likes on this video. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit this one, because this one is even better than this one. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one, you beautiful souls. Crypto Bliss community.